Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus problems about rates of change are actually super simple if you know what to look for. Let's break down this derivative interpretation in seconds. First, recognize that p' of 10 represents the instantaneous rate of change at exactly 10 minutes. This means we are looking for the specific behavior at that single moment. Next, check your units carefully because the derivative of percent with respect to time must be percent per minute. This helps us eliminate any options that mention acceleration or averages. Finally, we see that option A perfectly matches our instantaneous rate in units. It is the only choice that correctly describes the battery life changing. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust given info and check steps.